have the objects of bylaws. What are the different objects? It becomes easier to pre-plan the building activities and provision of building bylaws give guidelines to the designing architect. We need some guidelines how to plan, why we plan on certain terms and conditions, or with the help of norms, with the help of some base, we can say. If we have any blank site, we have to know how much we give front FA, like frontage open area, and the rear setbacks and the side setbacks. According to that, we have to design building, and orientation is very much important in the case of bylaws. The how we orient over our building as per the standards, as per the setbacks, as per the zones of particular area. The second one is the building bylaws prevent haphazard development. Obviously, when we apply building bylaws in any particular area or in any particular city, then the haphazard planning will be prevent because of building bylaws. Just because we have some standards, we have some standards that we have to follow in terms of regulations, standards, and we can say also bylaws. So when we apply that bylaws in terms of that particular area and the requirement of that area, so the planning is very much easier, very much comfortable, very much according to uh, the prevent of haphazard development. The third one is the provision of building bylaws usually afford safety of the human beings who work and live in them against fire, noise, health hazard. Okay, we have different chapters as per as per the standards, or we can say like Newford National Building Code, Haryana Building Code, the state-wise laws. Why we follow that laws in a particular state or in a particular city or in a particular building of that area? So why these are important? Just because the bylaws are very much important. We have different chapters. If we talk about the foundation of a particular building, we have to know. We have to know we should know about the from the foundation to the superstructure, how we construct as per standard. We have different chapters like foundation, the first one. Next one is the main superstructure, the finishing material, the services, the firefighting chapters, we can say. So there are different aspects of different types of building in a building bylaws. The first one is the building frontage line, the setbacks. We have to know the minimum plot size and the built-up area of that particular building, the height of building, and the provision of safety, water supply, drainage, proper light and ventilation, requirement of off-street parking space, size of structural element. So the next one is, what is building code? So building code is very much important in terms of town planning, in terms of any building planning. So building code is a document containing standardized requirement of the for the design and construction of most of the type of building. The code regulates building construction and building use in order to protect the health, safety, welfare of the occupant. So, if we apply building bylaws in a particular building, we have to know the setbacks. Why we are providing setbacks? Because of ventilation, lighting, and the other services which we have to apply at the site level. So, and the next one is the building codes classify standard by use and apply different standard for to each classification. For example, we have school, office building are in separate occupancy category with different performance requirement. So, in National Building Code, we have different types of building having their different bylaws as per their requirement, as per their area, how much area we can use for particular space for as per our requirement, and the capacity of capacity with different layouts we have, all we have in the building code. So, National Building Code is basically a comprehensive building code providing guidelines for regulating building construction activities across the country. It serves as a model code for adoption by the agencies involved in the building construction work. So it's a single document basically. We have different types of information in a particular document having Indian standards and interdependent requirement of sections. The purpose of these building code is to ensure public safety, health, and welfare as affected by building construction. This purpose includes structural strength of a particular building, sanitary equipment, lighting, ventilation, and fire safety. So the next one is objectives of building bylaws. What are different types of different objectives that we have to understand in terms of building bylaws? It make easy to make it easier to pre-plan the building activities. If we apply building bylaws, we have to know how much the frontage, how much the rear setback, or we can say side setback, how much the height limit. So we pre-plan accordingly the building and the design, so it becomes easier for us, for architect, for town planner to make building uh, uh, good. And it also gives guideline to the designing architect or engineer to make building as per the laws, as per the requirements, as per the specified area according to the users, and prevent haphazard development without any semblance to the development of the as the area as a whole. Give safety, or it also gives safety to humans against fire, noise, health hazard, and structural failure.